Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Instagram provides built-in text-to-speech for Reels and Stories starting in the editor. Open the Reels or Story camera and record your footage first. Then tap the sticker icon or the three dots and choose voiceover or text-to-speech. The TTS feature supports multiple voices and languages for accessibility and style. Reels accept up to 90 seconds, and Stories publish in 15-second segments for each clip. You can change voice, language, and speed before you publish the post. Type the exact script text into the text-to-speech sticker or the voiceover field. Tap the voice icon to cycle through available voices and languages until you like the sound. Use the speed slider to slow or speed the voice and target about 70% volume for balanced audio. Always preview the full clip to check pronunciation and timing with your visuals. Save the reel draft or export the audio file for reuse in third-party editors if you need advanced mixing. Add accurate captions or closed captions whenever you use text-to-speech for accessibility. Keep sentences short with line breaks so the voice matches on screen and reads naturally. Match text timing to visuals by splitting long narration into clips of 1/4 to 1/3 the total length. Exporting your TTS as MP3 gives you flexibility to trim or compress audio in external apps. Finally, test on a device to confirm volume, pronunciation, and that timing stays aligned before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.